Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and run scripts using a working Roblox executor. First of all, you want to type in this website name here. Click the download button. Once download, you can copy and paste any script you want. Then, open Roblox and click on any game that you want to use with that script. Open the executor. It should look like this when you launch it. Then, next to where it says the number 1, paste the script you had before. Click the inject button. Then over here, click execute. When it says successful, that means the script works in the game. I used one of the OP scripts for Lucky Blocks Battlegrounds. I can pretty much get every single block in the game and access admin controls. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, be sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons. It means a lot.